Hello everyone, truly my favorite food is pho and my favorite drink is milk tea. I usually have pho for breakfast about 3 times a week. I often eat it at a small restaurant near my house with my family. Moreover, I like pho because it has a delicious short noodle. It always makes me feel warm and happy. Besides, I also enjoy drinking milk tea with my friends when we hang out after school. It tastes sweet and refreshing. refreshing. Finally, although I cannot cook pho, I really want to learn it someday.